Good morning, happy Vlogmas day 5. I can't believe we're already 5 days into Vlogmas. It's Monday morning. I am just about to head into the office. It is so foggy outside. I woke up this morning at like 5 a.m. listening to the fog horns, and I was like, could not place the sound. But then when I opened my shades this morning, it was like completely white out. It's crazy. Anyway, I just taken my early morning calls from home. Let's pack up, walk to the office, and I probably won't see you guys until I'm home from work tonight. Little work outfit of the day as I head out the door. My dress is from Zara. I got it a couple of months ago, and I swear I wear it at least once a week. It's just so comfy. It's just a little shift dress. And then tights, black booties, my Kate Spade work bag that Donnie got me years ago, and I love to death. It's just so convenient. And then tossing on this little pea coat. Donnie also got me this jacket when we were in college. I don't know who it's by, but that's the look. So we just got home from the office. Of course, it's dark out already. It's like 6:30. Lots of stuff I need to do this evening to prep for surgery. The first thing is to book flights and hotel. I think we're gonna go on Saturday instead of Sunday. Like I was originally planning, my surgery's on Monday, and I wanna have a day to like prep. So I think we're gonna fly out Saturday afternoonish and then get to spend the day Sunday, do a fun activity, like go for a hike or something, get to see a little bit of Scottsdale, and then we'll actually go, run errands and stuff in the late afternoon and be settled for Monday. So that's the new plan. I feel much better about that, more excited about just like getting a little activity, because I felt so bad. My dad's coming and like he's gonna just like sit in a house the whole time. Like, I mean, he can go out and do things, but I have a feeling like he'll be more around than not. So it gets nice, so we'll get to do a little activity together. So that's the plan there. So we need to book flights, book an Airbnb, and then I think the last 2 days I might end up just staying in a hotel because my dad's gonna go home, and it might be more fun for me to just be in a hotel. It might feel a little bit, I don't know, safer, more comfortable, and hopefully I'll be feeling up for it. Trying to decide what to make for dinner. Donnie's not home. He had some work offsite today, and I could eat leftovers from last night, but I don't want that. Oh, I forgot we bought this chicken. I know what I'm gonna make. So this is like my favorite thing from Costco recently. They're just these like prepackaged chicken, and I literally just heat it up with rice and then add this Japanese barbecue sauce. So the two of these together are 48 grams of protein, and then little rice that you microwave and Japanese barbecue sauce. And I know microwave rice sounds pretty mediocre. I used to have a rice cooker, and I'll be honest, I like this better. It's like really nice, a little bit sticky. The BB Go is by far the best brand. Not exactly the most exciting meal, but very good macros and very tasty. Hello, I've just been laying here on the couch. It's been so long since I laid on the couch when I got home from work and watched TV. I feel like, I don't know, like normally Donnie's home, and so we're like hanging out or working or like sitting and the TV's on, but I'm on my phone. Like, it's been ages since I just laid on the couch and watched TV. I just watched like 3 rhinoplasty vlogs. They were each like 30 or 40 minutes long, so I was just here for like an hour and a half, which was honestly like really nice. I don't know whether the vlogs got me more or less excited about my surgery. On the one hand, I feel like I'm more excited because like the ones that I happened to watch today didn't have a lot of swelling. Like the after results were pretty good immediately, because that's the biggest thing. Let's all just take a moment to collectively agree that when my cast comes off 2 weeks from today, which is crazy, it's gonna be swollen. And that's the thing I think I'm actually scared about the most, is that you don't see your full results until 6 months to a year after your surgery. So although the swelling will go down significantly between like day 0 and day 7, when they take off the cast, it can still look very, very wide. And then the swelling will still go down like meaningfully over the first few months. And then, yeah, I think you see your mostly like, I don't know, 90% results at like 6 months. And then the remaining 10% happens over the last 6 months. So like some people just look not great when they take the cast off, and it's like the bridge is really, really wide. And I think that's the thing I'm most worried about, because my nose is so slim right now, and it's honestly a bit too slim, that like it's gonna look even more drastic if it's swollen. So that's the thing I'm most worried about, is like hating it for the first, I don't know, like 3 months or something. So let's all just collectively in this moment recognize that when the cast comes off, we may not like it, but we're not gonna be mean about it. We're not gonna say anything about it other than it's healing. So I'm just like mentally preparing for that. Anyway, this is becoming a very nose jobby vlog today, which was not the intention. It's just like what's top of mind for me right now. We are going to focus on getting ready for New York and packing. Yeah, I'm waiting for one of the associates I work with to send me something, and I thought it was gonna come earlier in the evening, so I've been like procrastinating because I thought it was gonna come and I was gonna do work before I packed, but now it's sort of getting late and I think I should probably start packing, and if I have to do work a bit later, I will. But anyway, that's the plan. Let's do some laundry and start packing. I never pack this far in advance. Normally I pack like day of, and I think that's a really bad habit I've gotten into, and it just means that I pack inefficiently. Tell me you're going to New York without telling me you're going to New York. Literally, it's all black, which is really more a reflection on what my wardrobe looks like these days versus going to New York. Yeah, I'm a little bit ashamed of the lack of color in my wardrobe these days. And when in doubt, I literally just always wear black. Case in point, I'm wearing black. I'm feeling rather uninspired with my wardrobe choices, so it is what it is. So we're dressing for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wednesday is an in the office day. I'm getting coffee with a coworker. We have a women's tea in the afternoon, and then we're doing a dinner with like a bunch of work people, but they're like people I'm friends with, so it's like a more casual dinner, not work sponsored. Thursday is another in the office day. I have more coffees, a bunch of work. Thursday's gonna be like a real slog. And then in the evening we have the holiday party, so I have my dress for that. Friday, I think I'm probably gonna be working from my hotel. I'm gonna get lunch with my friend Megan, if you remember her from Northwestern. Love her, haven't seen her since my birthday 2 years ago when I visited Charleston with Maya and Leah, which was so fun. So those are all the things that we're dressing for. I tossed in some workout clothes on top of that in the hopes that I will get in a workout. Got this cute little bag that's Abercrombie, gonna bring that along. Shoe choices so far, we have my like comfy low heels, my taller heels. This brand is the absolute best. This is Mark Fisher, both of these are. I don't know the heel height on these, but these are like super comfortable, walkable, and these are the most comfortable like taller heels I've ever found. So those are the work and holiday party shoes. I'm also gonna bring some boots, like booties and over the knee boots. A couple other dresses I haven't packed yet, and I need pajamas. Quick break from packing to open up my package that I got. Ignore my very loud washing machine. Okay, so these are the ice packs I got for surgery. Let's see how they are. Oh my God, they have like full-on straps in the back. This is ridiculous. I wonder if this is gonna like work or be like too much. I don't know. I look insane. Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 6. It's Tuesday morning and I'm up bright and early, headed to get my lashes done and then run a couple of errands before I jump into what is going to be a very busy work day. My flight doesn't take off until 4:40, so I have a little bit of time, which is nice, to get through like an actual work day and also not make this a red eye because I did that last year and it was miserable. So anyway, we're off to get my lashes done and then I gotta run to the bank and then the pharmacy to pick up my prescriptions for surgery on Monday. I get my lashes done at Artisan Lashes in SF. It's kind of near Union Square, and I see Juanita. She is the best. She's so fun to talk with and she does a great job. All right, lashes are done. I picked up my medications for surgery. It's an antibiotic, an anti-nausea, and a pain medication. So glad to have that. But anyway, bit of a chaotic morning. I just have way too many things going on and it took forever to get the pills and now I'm just running really late. So rushing, picked up some checks at the bank because I need to have that to pay the surgery center and the anesthesiologist for my surgery. And I couldn't find arnica tablets that I wanted to be taking to help with swelling, but I did get vitamin C. So we're working on it, but gonna go pick up some lunch to have for later because I'm back to back until then, and then I basically just need to like pack and go to the airport after my calls are done this morning. Good old Woodlands Market has arnica. Perfect. Dry cleaning has been acquired and we're finally going home. Just got to the airport. Flight boards in 5 minutes, so we are right on time. Just checked into this stunning airport hotel. It's a Marriott. Originally, I was gonna try to go into the city tonight, but the hotels were so expensive and my flight landed at like almost 2 a.m. And this was a like 2-minute drive from the airport. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here for tonight because I am literally just gonna go get in bed and go to sleep. But I will see you tomorrow.